Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the issue of linking your Instagram account with your TikTok. If you're facing any kind of issues or like errors, so what you can do is just open your TikTok application, and once you open the application just click on the profile on the most right corner, and from here what you need to do is just click on these three lines on the upper right corner and just click on settings and privacy. And once you're into this section, just scroll down at the end and you will see an option called report a problem. Just go to this section, and as you can see, search for an issue. So in this section you can just search for an issue and just write down Instagram. And once you write down, you will see all the like articles that they have posted unable to link Instagram accounts to the profile. The second article is what our issue is, so just open this one. And as you can see, like these are some of the solutions given by them, like switching the mobile data, clearing your cache, and updating the app. And if you're still not able to like fix your problem, just click on no, just click on need more help. And once you click on need more help, you will be basically seeing the TikTok support section. So from here you can just click on monetization, and once you click on monetization you will be seeing this kind of interface. So from here you can just choose the last option, can I submit an appeal. Just choose a random option, and in this section what we need to do is just open a ticket option. As you can see, just click on submit a ticket, and from here just write down all the details of like you're not able to link your Instagram account with the TikTok, so kindly review it. You can also attach a screenshot and fix the issue. So within 24 to 48 hours TikTok team will contact you and help you in regarding your issue. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix this. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.